My question is that is there anything that the jinns pray after midnight in the middle or center of masjid at night? And if people go for praying tahajjud and pray in the center of the masjid, the jinn can kill or harm them. People here are afraid and don't go to masjid at night for this reason. Can you please give it answer that? Is there anything like this?
I will do that, inshallah. Shamshad from India says, we have this conviction that after Isha, after midnight, the jinn come into the masjid and they pray in the middle of the masjid. So whoever comes before Fajr or after midnight and prays in the middle of the masjid, they will kill him and they will attack him and possess him. So people are afraid. Is this has any authenticity? Is it true? The answer is totally bogus, totally fabricated. And this is what the jinn want. The jinn wants us to fear them, because we are told that the jinn fear the humans. But when the humans express their fear from the jinn become courageous and they start to manipulate and abuse and intimidate the humans. There is nothing, none whatsoever in Islam about the jinn coming to the masjid or harming anyone in the masjid. They are unable to harm anyone in the house of Allah Azza wa Jalla, let alone someone who's coming to pray. They cannot harm you and they cannot do anything wrong to you, and Allah knows best.